everyone, Energy 2023. This is Quinity and Malik Shai,
Hannah.
and Naya.
For today's episode is feminism about fighting women or fighting inequality.
So today, we are here to clear with that misunderstanding. So let's start with a question. Well, what does feminism truly mean?
For me, feminism is a belief that men and women should have the same or equal rights and also opportunities. So, yan yung equality na dapat sa both genders.
Actually, nami-misunderstood sila kung ano ba talaga ang ibig sabihin ng feminism.
They think that if feminist ka, parang galit ka sa lalaki or gusto mong maging mas angat kaysa sa kanila.
Feminism kasi that's different from quitting men, where in fact, quitting men is another term na yun. Yan yung sinasabi nila na parang man-hater.
Yan yung sinasabing inequality sa feminism. Both genders are not treated equally. Hindi sila nasa same level.
That's why feminism is not about fighting men.
Kasi it's about men should have equal to women and yung treatment ng society sa men should be the same when it comes to women.
So, if may lalaking nakikinig ngayon, what will you say to them?
To be honest, feminism is not against women. Actually, na-include din kayo.
Kasi feminism is about fairness. Dapat yung opportunity na nakukuha ng men should be the same when it comes to women.
May ibang tao kasi na kapag narinig nila yung word ng feminism, parang naiisip nila na parang nagagalit sa isang lalaki.
Oo, kasi ang pag-understand nila sa feminism is parang ayaw mo sa lalaki or even like parang gusto mo na mas tulungan ka kasi sa mga lalaki.
I agree, feminism is not just a competition na kung sino talaga ang mas powerful. It's not women versus men.
Right. If you look back in history, feminism kaya nag-start ang feminism is because women doesn't have the right as men before.
I think yan din yung times na feminism is started from pain that are felt by women years ago.
Like, dati hindi sila pwedeng bumoto at limitado rin ang education nila, even sa kanilang trabaho.
So I think feminism was created to fight those inequalities and not to fight men.
But here's something interesting. Feminism is not just all about women.
Yes, kasi men are also affected. So going back to our main question, is feminism about fighting men or fighting equality?
It's clearly about fighting equality. Kasi feminism is all about being against the unfair treatment and not about fighting men.
Which is actually unhealthy kasi tayo is tao lang naman tayo lahat. Ang lahat tayo may emotion.
Dahil sa panahon ngayon, may mga issue pa rin like discrimination, especially unequal opportunities. Gaya nga nasabi nila, hindi dapat umiiyak ang mga lalaki.
So for our viewers, if you hear the word feminism, don't think of it as something na negative agad.
So for our viewers and listeners, we hope that you learned something from this video and we hope that you cleared out some misunderstanding about feminism.
And we'll see you again in our next podcast!